Alright, here goes. I have so many dyes. I don't know if you can see back there. I have so many colors. I must have like 15 colors maybe. So I'm just gonna select kind of a weird rainbow selection here that I think is gonna be cool. I'm gonna do some bright yellows and some bright oranges too. So let's see what we got here. We got this lemon yellow, which we didn't have before, so we'll start with that. And I've just got my cold water. I didn't end up heating it up. Put maybe 2 or 3 big teaspoons in there. 1, 2. Let's see how I'm filling that up there. Next I have a golden yellow, which is almost like an orange. And here it is. So I'm going to run 2, maybe 3 scoops in there. This is my first time doing my project out here, and of course it looks like it's going to rain any second. But yeah, this new time, what is this? This is April 18th, I believe. 17th or 18th, it's Saturday. So that's golden yellow. And we're in a crazy new system, aren't we already? Hot pink, never done hot pink. Let's try it. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that is. It's very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be pretty bright because it's a smaller container. I can always add a little more water up on top, but that looks good. Hot pink. So we got a really interesting rainbow going so far. We got 2 yellows technically. I think I'm gonna do some magenta too. I'm gonna run out of containers. I like magenta also. I wanted to do lilac. 1, 2, 3. This was lilac, so I can either do a dark purple, which I don't think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to stick with this. I have 2 blues. I'm going to do turquoise. Alright, leaving my spins in there, make everybody happy. Turquoise. Ooh, look at this. Such a different kind of a dye. 2. This is 3. Put another one, a little happy one. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is. Okay, and then I have this last one, is this custom set mermaid green. And it turned out really cool. It's kind of a turquoisey color. And this jar is already green. I got it at 99-cent store. Some cool stuff going here. I did have another blue over here I could do, and I did have the emerald green, ultraviolet, deep purple. I had black. Yeah, I could, and orchid. Oh my gosh, I have so many good colors. I'm gonna just start with these for now.